From digital assistants to chatbots to facial recognition and large language models, AI is all around us. Nowhere is that more true than in the workforce, where one thing is clear: AI isn't replacing jobs, but expanding them. While implementing AI can help companies stay competitive and increase employee efficiency, these technologies are constantly evolving and can be complicated to master, leaving employers and employees frustrated. To keep pace with these changes, leaders are hiring candidates based on their AI skills. This means candidates need a way to prove they can use AI tools effectively and ethically. Employers need a trusted way for new and current employees to demonstrate a formal level of Gen AI proficiency, boosting company productivity, efficiency, and workflow. That's why Pearson is offering the Generative AI Foundations certification as part of its Critical Career Skills program. It's designed to equip professionals and students with the essential skills needed to work with Gen AI. Developed by Certiport, a Pearson View business, and Mindstone, a Pearson Ventures-backed AI training company, this certification demonstrates candidates are proficient in AI tools. Candidates will learn how different AI models work, practice writing and refining prompts, and understand the ethical, legal, and societal implications of AI technology. With this brand-agnostic program from Pearson, learners will be able to put their AI skills to work across industries and roles and advance their careers. Tomorrow's workplace is powered by AI. Pearson prepares students and professionals today.